Let's move on and talk about the pharmaceutical space. Now, dermatology is one sector which has seen quite a few mergers and acquisitions in the recent times. Ekta is here, standing by at the big wall to give us a deep dive into the dermat space. Ekta.
Well, Eris Life has acquired 9 dermatology brands from Dr.Reddy's for 275 crores. This is the third acquisition in less than a year in the Indian dermatology space for the company, after the company picked up Mumbai-based Oaknet Healthcare for around 650 crores in May 2022 and 9 dermatology brands from Glenmark in January of this year, shelling out over 1,200 crores for all 3 buys. And it's not just Eris. Last year, Torrent Pharma spent around 2,000 crores picking up 100% stake in PE-backed India-focused Curatio Pharma, and JB Chemicals acquired a nappy rash cream along with 3 other pediatric brands from Dr. Reddy's for close to 100 crores. So let's learn more about the dermatology segment in India. Dermatology in India is broken up largely into 2 segments, medical and cosmetic dermatology, with the total size of the dermatology market estimated to be over 11,500 odd crores. However, the overall segment is still small, with just around 6 to 7% of share of the Indian pharma market compared to, say, anti-infectives, which is around 12 to 13%, or cardiology, which is around 13 odd percent. The dermatology segment, it seems, has picked up pace post-COVID-19. For example, in 8 quarters tracked from December 2020 to September 2022, the dermatology segment has grown in 7 out of these 8 quarters, tracked and in double digits in 5 of the 8 quarters. Now, most recently, as per industry data, the segment grew around 10% in the month of January, followed up with an 11.8% growth in the month of Feb. Companies have paid anywhere between 3.9 to over 8 times sales for these acquisitions. So why are companies paying top dollar for these brands and portfolios? Now, analysts are pegging the dermatology segment itself to grow at around 10 to 12% annually on a sustainable basis. And while medical dermatology is bulk of the market, both medical and cosmetic dermatology are expected to be growing due to factors such as more medical awareness, insurance penetration, and a need to cater to what are lifestyle-related therapies for chronic and subchronic dermatology conditions. The interest across medical and cosmetic dermatology can be seen in the portfolios picked up. For example, Eris, which now gets over 13% of sales from dermatology, will have brands such as Cosvate and Cospelite from Oaknet to help to cater to the medical dermatology segment, and moisturizing body and face wash from Dr. Reddy's as well. While Curatio Pharma, which grew around 25% in FY22 and gets 75% of sales from the top 10 brands, will provide Torrent Pharma products ranging from baby shampoo and cream to prescription creams to treat scabies. The fear is high spend, however, on sales and promotions, which could eventually impact margins of these companies going forward.
Ekta, thank you very much for that very interesting analysis and a very comprehensive review of the dermatology market in India. By the way, for the markets, it's picked up substantially. When we started the show, the Nifty was hovering around 17,000, struggling, blinking